Oppo launches its new K-series phone in China called Oppo K15 with built-in next-generation active cooling fans for thermal management and dedicated LED lighting. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K15 features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Super chipset paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo K15 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 143-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 80 watts SuperVOOC flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on ColorOS 16 Skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 158.3 by 75.13 by 8.27 millimeters, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K15 has been priced in China at 2,299 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in rapid white and gale gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K15 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.